Everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. In this video, we'll take a look at how the computer replacement cost dashboard within Endpoint Insights can take away the manual process of having to create a computer replacement budget. So let's go ahead and jump into it here. So without Endpoint Insights, in the worst case scenario, we'll have probably a Excel spreadsheet full of devices that we have. Hopefully we have the information about when these devices were purchased in here as well. But we may actually need to go out and dump in service tag to confirm devices that have expired warranties. We can identify the devices that need replacing. And from there, we'll actually have to do some manual calculations on what the cost will actually be. But with Endpoint Insights, we can automate that process completely. Let's go ahead and jump into the Config Manager console. In our Endpoint Insights tab, under the device warranty section, we have our computer replacement costs. We can go ahead and open that. From here, we can input how long we're keeping our laptops, our desktops, VMs, as well as the average cost of those devices. And we'll go ahead and select a collection. For the demo purposes here, we'll just do all systems. But once we have all of our data input here, we can just click View Report, and it'll kick out a device replacement budget for us. So we'll get it broken down by device type first, as well as at the bottom we'll get it broken down by year. So we can not only plan for this year's device replacement, but we can also plan for future years to get a better understanding of what that device replacement budget's going to look like in the future. So that's a quick look at how the computer replacement cost dashboard and Endpoint Insights completely automates the device replacement budgeting for you.